I'm Amol Gulve, and I'm leading the software-defined vehicle and AI offering at Cognizant. In my current role, I'm leading a team of highly skilled professionals to develop solutions for our customers that creates a benchmark in the industry and also solves their challenging problems. Many of the challenges we are seeing with our customers is to really integrate the AI into their existing infrastructure and the architecture of the vehicle. And it's not an easy task because the vehicle comprises of 100 plus ECUs. It's a heterogeneous machine with so much complex systems talking to each other. So the intent was to create smaller use cases where the AI can integrate into the existing infrastructure. So the use cases we focused on was driven more by the safety and security aspect of the vehicle. Customers are looking for on-demand, efficient solutions to their problems. They want much more value from the product, in this case a vehicle, lifetime value, and they want on-demand, a quicker solution to the challenges. And by solving their problems, we're able to bring in AI more as a complementary solution to their problems rather than creating as a complex infrastructure to the existing environment. So the intent here was to really focus on making sure the ECUs are talking to each other in a much more systematic, structured and standardized manner. And then AI is acting more as a complementary mechanism to solve those problems. Elektrobit has been a partner for us for the last over a year, and we've been very supportive of their products, and we have come across a lot of new tools and solutions they have, especially with EV corbos, AdaptiveCore, which provides a seamless integration into the software stack when it comes to service-oriented architecture, some IP communication protocol, which are fundamental to really bring in subscription-based business model. The EV corbos AdaptiveCore provided us with a sensor service which acted as a publisher and a subscriber to provide telematics data to the sensors as well as to the ECUs. By having that information, we can then bring in the AI analytics engine to really harness and create value out of that information. If you don't have that, you will not be able to bring the AI levels or the AI capabilities into the vehicle. The biggest win for the OEMs is really bringing in a production-grade ready solution in their infrastructure, removing the friction and the silos, and an integrated architecture which works without you doing anything from ground up. We're already giving you solution accelerators which are ready to get you into your existing infrastructure. The AI-driven analytics engine we have created is a modular and scalable solution. When I say modularity, it really creates an environment where you run once and you write everywhere, right? And the idea here is to create a containerized environment where in this case, the domain controllers are running independent of other containers. So you can update those containers whenever information is changed or updated over time, so that the inference of the value of the communication coming into those vehicles or to those domain controllers is streamlined. This reduces power consumption, reduces latency, improves more realistic information, and overall enhances consumer experience. Absolutely. The intent is to create a production-grade, market-ready solution where the investment is lower upfront, the cost to the consumers is lower, and the ROI is much higher. By having these kind of capabilities, it's a win-win situation for GSIs like Cognizant as well as customers and partners like Elektrobit. The biggest differentiator with EV's AdaptiveCore engine is bringing in some IP and subscription-based business model where we are able to create a publisher and a subscriber-based connectivity, sending communication over Ethernet. The runtime efficiency is also very high, where we are able to then port this information and create zero latency and remove redundancy in high safety critical components. The other beauty of the Elektrobit's AdaptiveCore is ASIL B+ compliance, which are really important when it comes to steering, suspension, and braking solutions, which are safety critical components.